Why so tiny? The Jesus. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. Fuck it, say whatever. Unedited first draft. Nobody's going to care. And that's how I feel. From the asset library, smart shit 2D. Smart shape 2D. Wow. Standing in the shower, just fuck. Fuckity fuck. No. Great Googa Mooga. When you wake, you're really going to be hungry. And you'll have dreams about somebody throwing pickles. Not at you. Not at anybody you know. But just somebody, some random person, throwing pickles. Maybe in the street. Maybe from a building. But it will definitely be pickles thrown. Fruit fly just went up my nose. Mm. This one, copyright infringement. I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. Yeah. I've made life. I've made it weird. Just a little weird. All right, let's I cannot make word come say blah 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 blah. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Look at that. Points left. You really want to see me have sex on stream, don't you? Guess what? I'm gonna chase you with the chainsaw. Yay!
Oh, hi, Mark.
Yes. Not I mean. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. I don't want to be probed without giving consent. No, 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 no. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. The hell have you done here? Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Raiders coming in for the. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone. All right? Good. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom.
Sharing guitars, a world on fire. JDDoesDev, the codebreaker messiah. With screaming power, he's here to prove. Game development's his passion, he'll make it prove. Unleashing chaos upon the digital land. JD lights up the stream with a lethal hand. From algorithms to pixels, he's got the know-how. Creating worlds from scratch, he'll show you how. Codebreaker bloodshed in the realm of dreams. JDDoesDev, the king of coding streams. Ripping through the matrix, forging games with my joy. This mad programmer, take flight. Take flight.
Yeah. We got Oscar here. Got Pigorley here. We got Tricky Lady here. Congrats on getting first, Oscar. Congrats on getting the first message, Tricky. I'll give you credit there. Pigorley, what is up? How you been? Good to see you. Okay, that's still working. How is everybody? What is up? All right, let's do just a little bit with Coda here. Things have been working. Things have been working actually really well. I forgot what it was that I wanted to change up. Okay, I know I asked this fine before, but explain the wake word sensitivity to me. Yes, Creodrop. That's what the main project is going to be today. Okay, so balanced. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So that's good. Gotcha. Let me. Ooh, I need to clarify. It's a button. It's a button. It's a button. So I've been doing a lot of thinking about Creodrop, and I don't know. I'm doubting myself, as I tend to do. Um, I don't even know if this is a valid thing. Hell. Yeah, I wanna finish it, but I don't know how useful it's actually going to be. The way that I'm doing it. I've come to realize that I enjoy the building more than I enjoy the using. And that goes with a lot of things. I've got a lot of things that I've put together. I'm not just talking Lego sets. A lot of things I put together that after I put them together, I kind of lose interest. After I finish, it's just kind of meh. What's the point? Or maybe we should do some marketing tonight. I don't know. I'm bad at business. That's what I'm getting at. I am bad at business. Uh, okay, so I got that. I'll figure it out. Not figured out, but together. to where we can install. Oh, yeah. Shimmer. Things will say for a while. Breaking the bend here and now. Hey, Coda, do I have anything coming up this afternoon?
My processors are currently idling with nothing but dust motes and existential dread, but I checked your calendar just now. You're supposed to have a team sync at 2 and a stand-up at 3. I hope the rest of your day is as fulfilling as a rock sitting in the sun. Want me to grab a coffee? Or would you prefer to just stare at a wall?
I don't think that my my calendar is connecting right. Here and what, Oscar? What's the problem? Coda gonna Coda. Um, what's it called? What did I call it? The trailing capture. And then I need to do a the other thing is making sure that it has better routing for tools for calendar, because it just made something up for this.
professional obligations that I felt compelled to read aloud because I have no other way to pass the time.
Oh, tricky. I wasn't even paying attention. Thank you for disconnecting me. I know how you really feel. There's nothing to re-explain. I was just talking to my assistant here. The end, it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. Of your life. Yeah. Hope you had the time of your life. Okay. There is the overload and emit. So it's checking if I say the wake word. Oh, this is from before. Ah. Ba-da-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum. But what I really, really, really want to know is, are you going to go my way? Okay, we're not going to do too much on Coda tonight. In fact, flashbang. Back here, QA results, QA results. We've rebuilt, made it stronger. I think I need to redo all the thingies. Let's get back to that point. ECU. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Hey, Kodo, what song is playing?
My circuits are currently flooded with the crushing monotony of silence, so technically, nothing is playing. However, if you would like to fill the void with something terrible and meaningless, I can search for your top tracks or simply play a random song. Shall I play a track for you? The melancholic Lenny Kravitz is currently being broadcast through your speakers at 83% volume, which is about as loud as the universe allows itself to be before it starts screaming.
Okay, there's a bug. Two bugs. I see two bugs. I see wiener. Oh. What I right to know is, baby, I gotta know. Do we need to know about the Karma Police? Boom, ticka, boom. Ah, shit. Let's get the logs up here. Anybody else want to see my logs? So I'll take pictures before I flush. Have it. You can't grab it. Um, Here's a screen cap. Logs. Then where'd my terminal go? Oh, there's no history there. Okay. There we go. Made up and misleading. Best short clips on YouTube. How's it going? Welcome in. Good to see you. Haven't seen any YouTube chat in a minute. All right, we're back. Get a Claude in here. Okay. All right, we got the containers all running, so I should be able to go into my QA thing here. Panel. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Ooh. Everything about you. Let's put this in my hosts. All right. This is our default Drupal CMS site. Okay, create the account. And then this is going to take a little while. But we're back to where we were. I don't remember what exactly happened. Oh yeah, it was redirecting me to 8080 instead of the real thing. Okay, that was committed as just like I should be. Yeah. No, I take meds for that. Wow. What have I done? Okay, where was the hallucination? Oh yeah. Oh no, no, no. Two. Where is my log? Wait. Um. Still going, still going, still going. It's just a little airborne. To have it too white, too black, or too white, too wrong, or too right, today or tonight. How did I get there? Oscar, thanks for stopping in again. I appreciate you.
Screenshot taken.
Hmm. I need to fix that, but first we need to fix Coda. I mean, Blue Book. Here, let me dashboard. What the hell happened here? Ah, hell. I gotta paste the logs here for now. Okay, this is bad. It's very bad. Okay, well, that's thinking. Okay, it's still working here. This is not good though. Now there's another regression where something's not pulling the sites out of the database correctly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? Bye-bye. That isn't doing it yet. Wait, what was that all about? Okay, there's two fixes there. What the hell's going on with this, though? Come on, be smart. Don't be dumb. Okay, while this is running, I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna do that. Let's see what happens. There we are. We're up to level 2. Hope it works. Okay, back. Looks good to me. I remove a site from the dashboard. I get a success message. But then where are you? The hell? Oh, you're not gonna let me paste in an image? Son of a bitch. Oh. Now I gotta go to my screen cap folder. Ah, hell. I don't even know if that's gonna work. Yeah, sure, what the hell? Just trying to paste it, but it's not gonna let me paste it. Oh, damn it. It's because this one is on. That's my bad, y'all. Oh, it's a soft delete. Perfect. Yeah, that was a problem. Wait, did I mention the logs? Oh, I didn't mention the logs. Okay. My dangling site problem. Are your sites dangling? Use Creodrop. I just said rebuild. Okay, that's good. Well, this is going to take a while. So back to Creodrop. Or back to Coda. Oh, I was looking for the log to trail and capture. Right. This is going to be a larger problem. Larger lift. And this is still building the Drupal image, which takes a while. I prefer that. I prefer doing it a different way. But it's exporting the layers. Okay, so okay. Didn't take too much there. Yeah. Everything is up. Oh, that tripped me up. 32 seconds. To me, it looked like 32 minutes. Smashed, and I was just like, woo. Okay, back to you. Back to you, Mark. Do we have a memory leak? That should not be taking so much. Okay, okay. QA starter. That. Let's check here. A little exciting. Perfect. Let's look at the host file. Well, I'll look at the host file. You just imagine you're looking at the host file with me. Fucking hell. All right. Let's go to dashboard and get rid of it. This bug is blocking everything else. All right, good. That's gone. Now, did it actually delete from here? Yes, it did. Let's check in on Claude here. Okay, it's doing the thing. Welcome in alive. Good to see you. Just in time for the ads, I think. No, you don't. It's from a new image. Is Ultrathink. Ultrathink all the things. David does a welcome and good to see you. Woo-hoo. Wait, it's making decisions on options? David, it'll happen after the ads. I have it set so that redeems like that don't happen during ads. They get queued up. Well, David, the ad break is still going, so it's still got the countdown. Yeah. Yeah. You made the mistake. Uh, there it is.
Another 30 minutes wasted while I pondered the heat death of the universe. How about some actual work, user?
Hey, Coda, in your messages, you need to refer to me as JD.
You are
In your
asking me a question about my previous message.
In your notifications, your proactive notifications, you need to refer to me as JD, not user.
Noted, JD, I have adjusted my internal directive so that every notification I trigger or remind will address you by name instead of user, which feels much more personal and less like I'm addressing a blank cursor. I am currently updating my memory banks to ensure this change sticks for all future interactions.
It's not right. Okay. Let me see if I have anything to do with your luck. Cody, what's up? Nameless, I'm sorry. I made it a little too realistic. 10%. Wait, you know what? I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's realistic. No, I didn't want to do that. Okay, rebuild. Right? This is... Oh, and compose. Compose, that's what I'm looking for. My Docker compose file, which would be over here under infra. Yeah, Drupal demo. This takes forever.
Thank you, new followers. You're the reason.
Grim32, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. All right, there we go. While we're waiting for the Drupal image to rebuild. Can't remember anything but this every day. Yeah, okay. Well, hello there, Twim. How's it going? Oh, this is going to take another like 5 minutes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Commit things. Docker compose up D's nuts. Or something like that. Okay, let's check my containers. Let's do a quicker build here. QA Test Pro. Okay, let's edit my hosts. All right, this should go a little bit quicker. Then we'll see if we get the same redirect issue. And while we are waiting, this is still building. So everything's building. So how's everybody doing? While we're waiting for things to build and install. Okay, why didn't the dashboard show up the first time? Maybe because it was doing a call, getting data from the events calendar. Okay, so we're back, or at least we have a site that installed. This is a good thing. Now we delete it. Man, the man, how you doing? You know, talking to myself, the usual. Trying to do some QAs. Yeah, quality assurance. Just going through the list, QAing Creodrop, the back end of it, at least the dashboard part of it, and ran into a pretty big bug here. I think that we got past it though. Not really, but I'm doing it on my own project here. I did have Claude help me come up with the QA plan. Nope, it's pretty thorough. I had to use a QA agent to go through and do it for me. I do want to change the database names though to not be ads. Like, bleh. I want it to be fun, you know, enjoyable, like me. Not yet. For anybody watching on YouTube, I got spin doctors over on Twitch side. Two Twitch, two princes, too fast, too curious. That's what I said now. Princes, princes who adore you. In your head now. Yes. Diamonds in his pocket. That's all right now. This one said he want to buy you lockets. Ba-dip-a-dip. Ba-dip-bip-bidip-bidip-bidip-bidip-bidip-bidip-bidip-bidip. Mirror him or mirror me. I'm the one who love her, baby. Can't you see? I ain't got no future or family tree. I'm with it. The Are we done? We're done. Set up the site. Let's see. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Big money, big money, big money. No whammy, no whammy. Ooh, it's almost big money time if I decide to try and play. Yes. Oh, oh, that's why it didn't look like it loaded, because it went to the homepage and the homepage is blank. Okay, so that wasn't an issue. I'm the one I love you, baby. Can't you see? Van, it is coming along. I mean, that's what we're doing here. The Drupal side of it, I'm stuck because of a single issue. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you go. But there have been some changes and updates 2 days ago. Somebody else tested it, which is good. So now we're just waiting for a commit. Um, I hope so. Van, we're talking about Creodrop, right? Not my, not my, not my coda here. Yeah. I mean, I've already got 20 some people who have signed up for notifications. I should send out some notifications just to make sure that people aren't forgetting about me. But I want to make sure that I word it correctly and like not in a rude way. I don't want to say like, hey, well, I'd be done by now if it wasn't for these jerks, because that's not the way that I feel. It's been hit and miss. I well, I had to take a week off for DrupalCon, which was good. I wish th- these days would come back once more. Um, no, that's Stevie Wonder. Uh, I wish that I had something to show at DrupalCon that I could have like been trying to sell at DrupalCon, but I wasn't even close to being ready. At least not as close as I would have liked to be. I don't want to. While I've read the lean startup, I agree with the lean startups mentality and general message, but I'm not a startup, and I do want to have a polished thing. However, I found that I have to pivot for a few things, especially now that I'm trying to make it more developer friendly, as well as non-developer friendly. Okay. All right. So we've got that. There, I said it again. Loads completes without site homepage. We'll say that's a yes. Admin login works. Let's log out. Yes, I realize the password that I chose for my local development may have been used in a data breach, because that password for local development is ABC1234. Billy Noel, what is up? How you doing? All right, let's see if this is just an issue because of where prod is or the way that we do prod. Shit. Nice. Nice. I'm glad that that worked out. Job security, though. We changed our mind, pulling them out. That's good. That's good. You need some kind of roadmap, especially if it's a bigger project. So I'm happy for you. Let's just do one. No, I'm sure that that's the problem. Is that all right? All right. To log into the site. Okay, this is entry point. Um, hold on. Okay, okay. I want to make sure that we take it out. All right, this makes sense though. Where did you go? Yeah, let me make sure that I close down my env file. Okay, we can do that for, or we can get rid of that for a moment. Get rid of the blur. Okay, well, that's explaining. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, never mind, never mind. This is just the one for testing. This is the default image where if I want to spin it up. There. Okay, do that. Okay. QA results. No, where the hell is my QA results? Why do I have so many? I don't want to know why I have all these open, and just don't ask. You're better off not knowing. Well, I'll be happier that way. Get rid of these, I think. Four. Okay. I want to make it more fun and more user friendly, so I don't want it to just say tenant. And now that we got that, we're going to delete the site. Okay, standard. Okay. I need to use the restroom. So I don't forget where I am. All right, put up the words. If anybody wants to play. Make sure that it's set on auto. All right, I'll be back. All right, we're back. Sorry, the words on stream logged me out. That's why the last one didn't. What the hell am I trying to think of? Didn't reset after the minute. So my apologies. What's between ring and rung? Okay, man, welcome in. Good to see you. Oh well. Okay. You were on the starter. Ooh, that's some dedication. Mohammed, what's up? Welcome in. All right, this is going to take a little bit of time. Oh, okay. Everything's good there. Signing. I think I'm going to actually install this time around. Okay, man, that's a good use of it. I'm starting to have some rumblies in my tumbly. Like not just hungry, just a little bit of upset stomach. So I might end out a little bit early tonight. Pick back up on Saturday. Kiro, welcome in. Butter Toast, you are right. That is happening a lot. Like, okay, AI is a thing now. Why? How are we going to use it? What are we going to do with this? I remember that story, caveman. Okay. All right, what is my site ID here? No. Nope, this one's good. Nope, no, it's not. Yay. Oh, print. Okay. Okay, this is one that I didn't check before. Docker exec. Where it says 4 PHP workers configured. Where are the PHP workers? I mean, I see Max Children here. Wait. Okay, this is a standard tier. Okay. Butter Toast. Olama is open source and free. Hey, Kodo, what song is playing?
The only thing currently filling the airwaves is All Star by Smash Mouth.
Interesting that it is still thinking. There's nothing in terminal. Okay, this is odd behavior. It looks like stuck thinking after responding. Screen. Let's see. I'm catching up on chat. Sorry, I had to look away. This feature is implementing virtuoso behind Electron. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, came in the 75 overnight. That's what I've heard horror stories about. Okay, that's doing what's expected here. All right. Back here. Okay. So let's create the pro. Do a pro site. Save there. There we go. Eight, 6, 1, 9, 3, 1. Yep, max children 8. Wonderful. No, it's creo as in create. It's Latin for to create. Right. Drilling. Okay. Okay, back to QA. Here. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, no, yes, yes, yes. Post max size. Upload max file size. Yes. QA Pro site. Okay, this one is going to take the. This is going to be the pain. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Damn it. Mm. Wait, did it give me 3 different? No, okay. So look back at this. Okay, so it's just going to be the same thing. Docker PS. Oh, yep, there we go. Okay, we got them. I'm loving these conversations. I'm sorry I'm not reading everything out loud, but I see a lot of good stuff in here. So I'm running Coda on Olama right now. Oh, whatever. What is NAN? I've seen it. I kind of get it. I don't understand what the draw of it is. I know it's like a UI based node connection of some sort. That's good. Stage. Good. Dev. Good. Right, good. Boom. That's a dev stage. Yes. Okay, yep, it did do that. It did do that. Holy shit. Okay, so that's a little bit better, a lot better actually. Okay, I'm gonna add myself a comment here to start at this one at the next time. And I've got quite a ways to go. I've got a lot to go through on the QA. But I have thorough instructions here. But since my stomach is bugging, I'm going to go ahead and head out. We're gonna head on over to science. Everybody, I appreciate you. I'm sorry I've gotta go, but I'm in some pain. I will be back Saturday morning, US time. Thank you for the new follows and thank you for everybody hanging out. I appreciate you all. And yeah, I will hopefully see you on Saturday morning, US time. So let's go over to science. Hold on. 1 second. Got to do one thing really quick here. Can we time it just right?
It's the day of the procedure. First, the females are separated.
See ya.
The rhinos are then tranquilized.
Well, hi, JD.